Hi guys, so I just came here to tell you that I was really busy on my birthday, so I just couldn't vlog a lot of it, but I also missed a little bit of snippets of everything. So yeah, if I need anything, I'll just pop out of nowhere and give you guys a little info and everything. By the way, I'm editing it right now, so yeah, I just got to know that. Okay, peace. You may not hear me properly because I'm in the auto and this is my sister. You want to say hi? Her name is Shraddha, by the way. On the way. Okay, so welcome back to my birthday vlog or my birthday transformation, whatever you want to call it. But it's my birthday today and I'm so freaking excited. I'm finally 18 years old. Yes. Okay, hi again. So what happened actually was I couldn't vlog in the auto because there was a lot of people looking at me and I'm just not comfortable with that around me. So yeah, I went to the Billionaire Hair Salon in Dahisar, and they have multiple branches. You'll get to know. I'll say that in the video further. But I did thongs for my birthday, which was, I don't know, I just don't remember the price, but it was very reasonable, I guess. And the person who did that was a friend of mine and he's really good hairstylist. And I washed my hair, I blow dried it, then I did my thongs, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hi guys, so I'm at the Billionaire Saloon. This one is at Dahisar and they have multiple branches. Actually, he is a best friend of my sister and he works here, so it's a win for me. His name is Harshal, by the way. You can contact him if you come here. So yeah, I'm doing this thong for my birthday. I'm a very bad vlogger, whatever. I don't know the camera angles. So yeah, I'm gonna do this and show you guys the result afterwards. Okay, peace, bye. Hi guys, I'm back. This is Mayuri. I'm sure you guys must have seen her before. Yeah. She's also invited to my birthday party. And my brother, she is invited. And my brother is still sleeping. He's no, yeah, he slept at like 9 a.m. So he get a pass. Are you bored with me? Yeah. I came 1 hour late. I told her. She was sitting alone.
All by myself.
Yeah, but you were watching Friends. That makes up.
Okay.
Okay, bye. We'll see you later. It's a video. So we are leaving. What is the time?
5:45.
It's 5:45. We are very late. But yeah, we're gonna leave anyways because what the fuck am I saying, bro? I have an orange also, and I have water bottle which is very. Hi guys, we are here.
Why?
Okay, right. We finally reached. What is the time, Mayuri? You're my clock today.
I'm your clock today. Okay, it's 6:41. Exactly 1 hour before we left.
Okay, so it took only 30 minutes because there was no traffic around us.
But
So
then
yeah,
it's like 15 minutes.
there's my sister taking selfies. There is Shraddha and Kodash. So cute. I'll show you the view. It's very, very beautiful. Wait. I don't know why. Hi guys, so we are back at the hotel room. I'll give you a tour very soon. But look at the decoration. Wait.
Please tell me तेरा वीडियो इस बार भी चालू था.
चालू था.
दूसरी
Okay guys, so I'm gonna get ready now. I just washed my face. I'm gonna do a little mask. I'm gonna do a face mask and then I'll show you my makeup. What are you doing, Sakshi? I'm sorry. Okay, so I've dressed up. I am in love with the dress. So pretty. Oh wait. Yeah, I'll do my makeup. I just wore my dress first because I don't want to get makeup on my dress. Okay, I'm gonna start the video. I'm gonna fast forward it. So this is how it looks. I mean, this is how I look. Sorry. This is the decoration. I'll show you the cake. This is the cake. I love Friends if you didn't know, and everything is Friends related. This was so I wanted to put out a very important thing. Everything was organized by my sister. She has a new. So my sister started a new company as an event planner. Okay, so she is a event and holiday planner. So her main account is Brown Bell of Bombay, and I'll just put in the description. And the second account is the Planner Next Door. Also, I'll put that in the description. So yeah, if you have any questions, please DM her. Love you.
Happy birthday, Sakshi! अरे पूरा रहता है ना नीचे
Hi guys, what's up? So I'm back in my room. Sorry, this is a weird angle. I have my charger pointed right there. So yeah, it's my phone is charging right now. But I hope you really like the cut thing, the cake thingy, and the clip I added of me cutting the cake. Finally I did it. It was 10 o'clock, very late, but we did it. I freaking love the cake. I love my sister so much. If you're watching this, I love you so much. Friends is my like favorite TV series, and yeah, it was everything so perfect. I just really loved it. And another thing, I am going to take a power nap right now because I got up at 8 a.m. and I haven't slept the whole day. My afternoon nap is really very important to me, but I just skipped it because I was doing my hair stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna sleep and then get up at 11 o'clock, maybe 11, 10, 20, I don't know, and then party afterwards. But yeah, okay, my eyes are shutting down. Peace, bye. Hi guys, I got up at I don't know 11:30 and right now it's 2:41 a.m. But we are partying so hard, I just cannot. I'm so refreshed. By the way, I got my power nap and it's my song. Okay, bye. Hi guys, so we are back at the room again. It's 4 a.m. Very tired. I'm gonna sleep now because yeah, and Mayuri is also sleeping with me. That is Shraddha. We are very tired. So maybe I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Hi guys, it's the next day. It's 12:15. Totally tired. I slept at 4, got up at 11 o'clock. Hi guys, so the next day I forgot to vlog again. The next day we were so tired that we just went home at 12 p.m. and then we slept because yeah, we were really tired from the previous night and we all just wanted to sleep and talk to no one else. We were so tired, yeah. But I also forgot to shoot my outro, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this vlog, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys really liked the video. Love you till the end. Bye. Oh, also don't forget to follow my Instagram. It's right here. It's free. So yeah, just don't be shy. Just follow my Instagram. Yeah.